Hey IKEA fans! Today I'm giving you the fast, honest rundown on the IKEA Solskydd Bluetooth speaker line. Is it worth your cash, or is it just a good-looking scam? Let's get into it. First up, don't worry, the Solskydd speakers are legit. IKEA launched them worldwide in December 2025, teaming up with Swedish colorist Tekla Evelina Severin for that signature bold, retro vibe. They look awesome. Think statement piece, not just a boring black box. There are 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. The tiny one is super portable and battery-powered, up to 25 hours of playtime. That's perfect for moving around the house or even outdoors. The medium and large ones? Wired only, but they pack a punch. You get wall mounts, stands for the medium, and all those fun color options: orange, green, or classic white. So, what about the features? Spotify Tap is a standout. Press once and your music starts playing or discovers something new. No phone juggling required. Want whole home sound? Connect multiple Solskydd DDs for synchronized audio. And if you're picky about sound, the medium and large models even let you tweak EQ settings. Go bass heavy, keep it flat, or boost the vocals. But it's not all rainbows. Users rave about the looks and how easy they are to set up. Seriously, 2 minutes and you're good. Volume? The large model gets loud for its size. But, and it's a big but, there are some gripes. Audio lag can be a pain if you're using Bluetooth for TV, so don't expect tight lip sync. There's no remote for optical input either, so you'll need to adjust volume right on the speaker. And some folks hit the occasional Bluetooth dropout. So, is Solskydd a scam? Nope. It's a real deal, especially if you want your tech to double as decor. If you're after audiophile perfection or TV sound, you might want to look elsewhere. But for chic, easy, everyday listening, especially if you love IKEA style, it's got the vibe. Thanks for watching.